kinain ni Eve. Tapos si Eve, ginising si Adam, siguro katatapos lang, kumain ka rin. So kinain ni Adam. Then malice was born. Who is this stupid God? Stupido talaga itong putang kung ganun. You created something perfect, and then you think of an event that would tempt and destroy the quality of your work. How can you rationalize a God? Maniwala. Oh, ikaw, maniwala ka? Kaya nga sabi ko siya, maniwala niyang. So tayo ngayon,